All right, this is going to be awesome, I think. I freaking love riding in the evening like this. Right? Everybody else is off having dinner. So another one's looking like a little bit of a narrow gate. Oh, wow, my mirror just missed. Oh, cool, breaker run. See how the water passes through? They just pile some rocks on. Oh, we got a tree down. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna do a act of kindness. I know you guys came to watch me ride, but we are who we are, you know? If I can move it, I don't know. Maybe I won't be able to. Yeah, I guess I can't break it. Well, you guys, you ladies, and what did you do? What did you do? You witnessed it. I tried. I could break out my little survival saw, but we're gonna be here all day then. We're losing daylight, right, buddy? Which doesn't totally matter to me, but it makes it really hard for you all to see. That's no good. So, have you all decided where you're going for your favorite fireworks spots? I mean, I doubt this is getting released before the 4th at this point, because again, this is the first. I have three videos from this year yet that have at least 3 that have to get released. Plus, I'm still sitting on last fall's, so it's just not enough time in the day this time of year, or night. Not enough time. Just kind of a little lean-to, I guess. So we got a tin here. So the Forest Riders, that's the Snowmobile club in the area. So it doesn't look like many people use this lean-to for ATV traffic, surprisingly. A little bit, not much. I don't think this area sees, well, I shouldn't say that. I have no idea what this area sees for riders. So much of this used to be kind of, at least in my opinion, maybe it wasn't. Maybe I just didn't know. I always felt like this area was a lot of forest roads and dirt roads. So, but the trails are so far great. So you got Bucksnort and a bunch of resorts out here. All right, we're gonna try and block you. Okay. I do not really like these mirrors, but I really haven't come up with a better one to replace them with. So they just kind of, there they stay. I think I talked about it before. I'm going to talk about it again. I really like all the trees. There's a lot of shade on this trail. It's a pretty easy ride, you know. Wisconsin doesn't see a whole lot of challenging terrain these days. I'll bet this is just spectacular in the fall. We're gonna do some serious fall riding this year, friends. I think we're missing out on some pretty cool stuff. A lot of cool content. Oh boy, here we go. Give the mud a couple seconds to fling off. Oh, one hit my ear. Give you guys a nice wipe. All right. I'm still getting hit with some. What's that, Gunner? What was that? What was it? What was it? Was that something? No? Oh. Well, I'm gonna upgrade these trails in my own personal opinion system from humdrum trails to, I don't know, kind of fun trails. I've groomed some of this stuff in the winter time. I groomed for the Forest Riders Snowmobile Club one season. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work for both groups, Snowmobile and ATV. Is this bottomless? I think that grooming ATV trail is a lot more tedious. It's a lot slower. It's a lot harder on equipment. I talk about this with you guys and gals all the time, but the reason I ride slow on those, I know everybody probably, why aren't you riding fast through the holes? Just splash it up. The reason why I don't is because then I gotta wipe you all off. And sometimes I forget to wipe the lenses. And I don't want to ruin your view, you know? Plus, we're in no hurry. You in a hurry? I got no dates. You got a date? No? We got no dates. We have zero game. No game. He has game. I block him. You know what? Block him. Uh-oh. Wow, look at that rock. Looks like a turtle there. Watch your face. If you do have pets, this is obviously a narrower trail, so you know, keep an eye on their little animal faces. If you were with me the last ride, whenever that video comes out, you may see that where thankfully Gunner is starting to wear his goggles. So he got clipped by one of these little guys, probably like that. I mean, he didn't care. I was worried more, but he didn't feel anything. He has those goggles on, so. But it's easy to not see that in the grander canvas of the trail, you know. What a cool ridge. That's really not bothering anyone. We don't need a random act of kindness at. Yeah, here's where it's going to get real nice looking here. All these leaves are going to have a gold tint to them, and you can't see. There we go. Up. Doing some logging. Man, look at those rocks, huh? Wow. I know a place where I could put those rocks.